This video contains whole solved assignment of complete solved assignment of BHIC 102. इसमें पूरा BHIC 102 सोशल फॉर्मेशन एंड कल्चर पैटर्न्स ऑफ द एंशियंट वर्ल्ड का असाइनमेंट है, सॉल्व है. असाइनमेंट 1 में two questions are there which contains 500 words each, as assignment 2 has 3 questions which contains 250 words each, whereas assignment 3 has 5 questions which contains 100 words each. So let's start with assignment number 1. Explain in detail the different approaches related to the transition to agriculture. First, the transition to agriculture had a very significant and long-term impact on early human societies. The beginning was made at the end of the Pleistocene epoch, about 12,000 years before the present. तो इस तरीके से आप लोग लिखते जाइए, वीडियो को स्टॉप कर करके, या तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट्स ले लीजिए. बेटर होगा कि अगर आप वीडियो को स्टॉप करके लिखेंगे. इससे क्या होगा कि आप लिखते भी जाइएगा, अदरवाइज यू मे नॉट राइट आफ्टर टेकिंग द स्क्रीनशॉट्स. डेमोग्राफिक मॉडल कैसा था ये भी आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. Some scholars have suggested that a major change like the beginning of agriculture can occur only if there is sufficient stimulus in the form of pressure of tension. There are different scholars who have given their theories. System model. The second question is examine the development and consolidation of the Sassanid Empire. First, give the introduction. You can write about the administration. In administering this empire, rulers took the title. Different titles were taken by the rulers. You can mention those titles also. You can write about the coinage. About architecture. their legacy, then assignment 2. In this you have to write 250 words each. Question 3 is, who were the Greeks? Write a short note on the Mycenaean civilization. What was the civilization? How it started? Give the introduction of it. Then question 4, write a note on the settlement and architecture of the Egyptian civilization. Egyptian civilization flourished on the bank of the longest river of the world, that is the river Nile. Agriculture was primary activity that were involved with. The Egyptians were also engaged in weaving and production of glassware. They formed an art writing known as hieroglyphics. They also formulated solar calendar. These things you can mention. You can also give example. Architecture of ancient Egypt you can mention. And then you can conclude, the Greeks already regard Egypt as a land of wisdom and mystery, and the ancient Rome fascinations with Egypt can be seen in a number of ways. Which leads to your 4th question, and then comes the 5th question. Explain the discovery of the spread and impact of iron. How iron spread and what was its impact? Then comes assignment 3. In this there are total 5 questions. In this you have to write 100 words each, in which you can write 1 page approx. Bronze Age society. What was Bronze Age society? The Bronze Age denoted the first run through the people began to work with metal, bronze apparatus and weapons before the stone variants. So you can write about the weapons, what type of weapons they used. Question 7 is the source and methods of archaeological research. Eighth question is legacy of the Shang civilization. Babylonian Empire, the 9th question. Tenth question is history and historiography. What is historiography? Historiography is an analysis of a description of the past. And then we are just done with this assignment. The study of historiography requires a much more critical approach that goes beyond the ordinary examination of historical facts and data. Studies in historiography verifies the sources generally by researching on the historians who have written it. So we are done with BHIC 102 assignment, and the next assignment videos will be uploaded. So you can go and watch those videos also. Thank you everyone.